Everyone, this is Kujimo Vlogs. If you're after base to your kid of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin itong reaction video ang pangatlo. Actually, hindi ko pa ito kalala. On the spot reaction. Ano sabi ko, okay, gawa natin itong reaction video. Bahala na. So, one second na longer, let's start this reaction video.
Ang susunod na talent natin, eto na siya.
Susunod na talent. Okay, G. Ay, maganda siya, mami.
My name is Kate Julian Licame. I am 12 years
Kate
old
Julian
and I
Licame.
live in Quezon City. Nung 3 years
QZ.
old pa lang po ako, nakikita na po ako ng
QZ
potential
represents.
ng mom and dad ko po in singing and dancing. Masaya po ako na napabilang po ako sa theater po.
Mukhang maibu-
po
ay.
kami doon kung
Teatro.
paano po mag-act.
Tapos ang laban.
Paano po mag-improve sa acting.
Tapos ang laban. Nagpa-teatro pala siya.
Kids dahil
Okay.
yung talent ko po sa pagkanta is gagamitin ko po yun para po ma-inspire po yung mga tao.
Sige nga, G. Kakantahin niya. Oh my God, I love this song. Grabe yung enunciation niya, no? Pakinggan niyo yun? Pinapakitaan niya tayo, mami. Ganun. Happy yung logo sito. Happy. Sunrise. Ano for chair to? Julie, sa'yo na yan. Magaling siya. Magaling siya. Ang galing ng part na yun, fairness. Galing niya mag-changes, di ba? Sorry, ah. Galing niya mag-changes. Wala may umikot. Okay. Oh my God, akala ko walang iikot. Ay, grabe. Grabe yun.
Grabe yung choice of song mo. Sobrang love namin yung song na yun. And you did great in singing it.
Anak ko, walang umiikot. Wait lang. Pero dito sa last part, medyo crucial. Sa last part, yung nag-hit na, yung nag-escalate na yung boses niya. Yan, medyo namamalat siya. Ramdam ko. Yan, no? Sino kayang pipiliin? Curious lang ako. Sige nga.
Grabe
Sige
yung
nga.
song mo. Sobrang love namin yung song na yon, and you did great in singing it. You should be proud of yourself.
I'm curious kung sino pipiliin niya. Ang galing niya.
Good song choice.
Naku,
My
walang
favorite songs
iik.
as well. When I was your age, I always used to sing this song also. It's just refreshing to hear, and the fact that you sang this song in front of us is a brave thing to do, and you did such an amazing job, honey. So
Thank you
good
po.
job.
Eto na, mga kaibigan.
Wait lang, may gusto ko sabihin.
Oh.
Ano kasi sabi
Yan na, yan na. Kinigawan niya.
when I was a kid, I would sing Make You Feel My Love. Feeling ko, gets ko na yung feeling ni Coach Billy kasi sabi ko, when Zach was a kid, kami nung kinakanta namin yung Make You Feel My Love,
Tanda na kami.
graduate na kami ng college.
Ang sakit nung
Na kami.
ang sakit nung when I was a kid, I used to sing Adele. When I was a kid, I used to sing Mariah Carey. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yung experience at tanda. Lamang na lamang ako dyan dito. Okay? At the end of the day, really, it's your choice. You are in good hands whether you choose Ben and Ben, Coach Zach, and myself. Basta, ang importante, choose wisely.
The choice is yours!
Who are you gonna choose?
Ang pipiliin ko pong
Sino?
coach ay si... Coaches Ben and Ben po.
Mas Ben and Ben.
Gusto ko yung may harmony pa rin sila.
Okay. Anyways, there you go guys. It is all for today's video. This is Kinji Vlogs and see you on my next vlog.